Good morning, or I should say afternoon, because it is like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We've been up. I went to get some. Actually, I haven't eaten at all yet. This is not good. We're gonna go get some food now for lunch in the American Diner, which I haven't been at before yet. Always trying something new. Really excited to do that. I got into the room at like 2:30 last night, 3 o'clock. So I slept in, and I deserve it. But right now we're just chilling. We're gonna get some food. There is some sale going on for another 20 minutes downstairs, so I want to try and get there quick. See what's there to buy. Haven't bought much. I bought a porthole frame that I want because I have one from MSC and Royal Caribbean and now Norwegian. And then I bought just some gifts for stuff for people at home. And that's about it. I don't know what else I'm going to do today. I want to try going on the pool deck, but I'm also just getting rid of the burn, so we want to make that worse. I don't know. We'll see. We got to pack too. Luggage have to be up at 8 tonight apparently. So that's pretty early. I gotta do that. I haven't touched any of that yet. The clothes have just been everywhere. My grandmother's been yelling at me throughout the cruise about cleaning up, but I'm on vacation. I don't care. All right, guys, we're back on the pool deck. We just came to get lunch. We're gonna go to the American, but it's like a 45-minute wait, so I don't know what we're gonna try to do. I can't see. I forgot my sunglasses in the room. But the pool deck is packed. Sea days. Yeah, I got a seat early. That's the only thing that kind of isn't great with the sea day, but other than that, you have so much to do on the ship. I rarely even come up on the deck, but what a great time to be on a cruise. The weather's beautiful. I love it. It's lunchtime. It wasn't 45 minutes like I thought it was gonna be. We got our menus. We're at the American Diner over here. Super excited to try this place. A lot of the food does look the same as what's in the local, but I'm gonna try some other stuff and see what they got. I'll show you guys. I started to eat before I could show you guys, but I got the slider. It was good. Salad. They all got burgers. Food's not bad. I'll enjoy it. All right, guys, it is 7:30. We really didn't do much today besides eating at the restaurant there, and then we're just back in the room packing up and getting ready, and I fell asleep again. Sunset, golden hour over here. Last sunset I'm gonna see on a cruise for a while. I don't have another one booked, but hopefully that changes soon. It looks beautiful. Can never get enough of it. Alright guys, we came into the Manhattan restaurant again tonight because we like this restaurant a lot better. We ordered our food. It is a really nice restaurant. This looks like a main dining room on a cruise ship. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So you can see they have the higher ceilings. Cagney's, the steakhouse, is over there, and then the Bistro, the French cuisine restaurant, is over there. And then you have the seating all around, which is pretty cool. It looks like a main dining room, but it's normal. All right, guys, we all ordered a bunch of appetizers tonight, but we all got the same thing to start, the seared scallops. They look pretty good. This is app number 2, the melon and prosciutto. All right, guys, we are headed back to the cabin. It was the last night at the club. It was great. Music was great. DJ was great. A couple of people went to food, but I've got to go to bed. I'm exhausted. We know we got to be up early tomorrow. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I don't think I even got to show you the whole ship, to be honest with you. There was just so much to see, so much to do. And we really didn't have much time on the ship because there were only 2 sea days. And today was just a rest day because of how tired I was. So I might even put these vlogs in with yesterday's videos. But it's like 2 in the morning, so I'm going to go to bed. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch the videos. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment. Any questions you have, feel free to let me know. I have no problem answering them. I will try my best to the best of my ability. Please take care, stay safe, and remember, cruise on, have fun. Let me know if you have any exciting cruising coming up, because I'd love to know, because I'm super excited for you. All right, guys, take care. Thank you for watching.